You are 2410c. Remember in 10p1 we got the equation. In 10c we assume d is 10, so substitute d equals 10. We have x squared minus 20x plus 90 equals 0. So we got the x, either quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have x equals 20 plus or minus square root 40 over 2. So look at the question. The question is about q minus p. So we just set this term. So q minus p is 20 plus square root 40 over 2 minus 20 minus square root 40 over 2. So the 20 cancel out, and we got the result is a square root 40. Make it look better, so it is square 2 square root 10. You got it? Be careful. They ask about a and b, so a is 2 and b is 10. Many people miss this part. Good job.